Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am attempting one of the most difficult challenges I've ever faced, crafting 10 iconic snacks into tiny masterpieces made entirely out of paper. Is it even possible to get this much detail on something smaller than a coin? Honestly, I don't know yet. Make sure you stay tuned for the legendary ASMR unboxing at the very end to see if I actually succeed, or if this whole series ends in a total fail. Let's get started. These are so small. I'm pretty sure an ant could have a full Thanksgiving feast with these. Making the Oreos actually reminded me of a joke. Why did the Oreo go to the dentist? Because it lost its filling. Look at the scale of these Skittles. They're literally smaller than a grain of rice. Don't sneeze or they'll disappear forever. Next up, we're moving on to the chips, Doritos and Lay's. The goal here is a clean and aesthetic vibe, but let's be real. Trying to make paper look like a crinkly bag of chips is a total nightmare. I'm over here trying to get that perfect crunch sound, but one wrong move and drip, this whole video is over. It's like playing a high-stakes game of Operation, but instead of a heart. I'm performing surgery on a tiny bag of nacho cheese Doritos. If you can even see the tiny logo at this point, you basically have superhero vision. My eyes are literally crossing. But look at that result. If these look crunchy enough to eat, go ahead and smash that like button. Just don't break your screen like I almost broke my patience. Adding the classic 90% air and 10% chips, right? Now let's make the next one. Now for the heavy hitters. Pringles and Takey's. This is where things get seriously tiny. I'm trying to color this. Takey's logo, and I'm pretty sure I'm holding my breath the entire time, if I even blink too hard. This whole thing might fly away. It's not just a die. I would as a test of my patience. Look at that red dust detail. It looks so spicy, it's actually making my eyes water. And these Pringles? They're officially the cutest things I've ever made. If you're impressed by the dedication it takes to make these, show some support and hit that subscribe like button. Let's see if we can get this video to go viral for the Tiny Snack Squad. Let's go, guys! We can make this video go viral, right? Before we can call this a success, we have to actually fill these tiny containers. I'm starting with the Pringles. And honestly, trying to fit these microscopic chips inside without crushing them is the ultimate test of my patience. Look at how they slide in perfectly. Oh my god. This is the most satisfying part of the whole process. Now for the finishing touch, aiding the tiny lid. Getting this to sit perfectly is actually a huge challenge. There we go. Look at that fit. It's all about the satisfying setup. I'm trimming off the extra edges to make it look 100% professional. One slip of the scissors and it's game over. But we're keeping it clean and sharp. And now, it's time for the Soda Squad. I'm over here rolling the clay out like a tiny burrito. It looks cute, but trust me, getting it to be the exact shape of a soda can is harder than it looks. One wrong move and my Coke can is going to look like a potato. And now, my favorite part. It's time to bring these snacks to life with some color. Right now, they're just pieces of paper, but watch how they transform into something you'd find in a vending machine. Silver marker for that metal look, pasting our logos on our tiny burritos, our tiny sodas. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see the ASMR. Challenge completed. If you like these kind of challenges with DIYs, hit subscribe to join our YouTube family and see what I craft next. Don't forget to like for more challenges. Bye.